Okay, so tell me what you guys think. I'm sending a box of shit to my nephew for his birthday. There's a couple of things that are going to go in this. There's a knife that his uncle's giving him, and a compass watch carabiner thing that grandma's giving him. So clearly, he's into this kind of shit. So what we have here is a new episode 1 battle droid that I bought because it was $7 and I liked it. This is the first DVD his dad and I ever watched together. A Black Series. Yeah. IG-11, IG-88, whatever. I have a bag of some of my favorites that I saved that are open that I'm sending to. There's a R2, a Captain Antilles, a C-3PO, a Han Solo, a couple of troopers there from various eras. The only thing I kept out of all those things, I kept the Return of the Jedi Scout Trooper. I had one of the ones from the 90s that still had his pistol, and it was loose without the package. I've had it forever. I kept that, and I gave him all the rest of the ones I had. His grandma told me no knife, but then his uncle gave him a knife, so we'll get to that. But I had a few of these, so I threw one of those in there for him. Because he can't have a knife, I got him an axe. It's pretty bitchin'. Of course, I took it out of the packaging and whatever and made sure it was sharp, and because I'm me. It's a pretty little bitchin' Gerber hand axe. I bought that for me just to try it. I'll probably buy another one of those for me to replace that with. That's how much I like it. But I was looking for something not a knife to put in here. Petzl headlamp that I bought as a backup and don't really like. And it's kind of a kid's version. So he's getting that. And it's nice with the sweatband and shit. It'll be good for camping. I had some high visibility paracord, so I'm sending that. Canteen survival kit. We'll get to that in a second. And this is some little set of tools that my grandma gave me for Christmas that, like, everything in here I already have, so I never even opened it. But I'm sending it to him because I think he'll actually get some use out of that. He is living with his mom. So he's getting a big box of man stuff. In here, there is a jet scream whistle. Some more paracord that's, not flashy. A magnesium bar that this was in his grandfather's truck. That's why it looks so old and worn. Jet scream whistle that I bought, and I didn't like it. I like my boatswain whistle better, but it does work, so I'm throwing that in there. And the canteen is a USGI canteen cup stove assembly. I think this with a pocket knife and a compass watch thing, like, this is a dope birthday present for a kid. Tell me what you guys think.